This is topic D on page 168, adding a watermark.
You may need to designate a particular document as a work in progress or as containing confidential information that isn't to be shared publicly. You could put such information in the content of the document, but it might be overlooked. Word enables you to insert a watermark in large letters in the background of a document to clearly identify the users to which the document can be put. A watermark is transparent text or a graphic that appears in the background of a document. It is generally used to designate the purpose or content of a document or to prove authenticity in an unmistakable way. We have a gallery of watermarks available on our Design tab in our Page Background group by selecting the Watermark dropdown. You can see we have the diagonal confidential, horizontal, do not copy, both of those. Scroll down, we have drafts, samples, ASAP, urgent. So those are all of our pre-configured watermarks. Click on it, and you can see it applies to all of the pages in your document. Wasn't coming up in my first page there, so I just wanted to fix that. So you have those pre-configured ones. You can also create a watermark on your own. Go back to that watermark drop-down and choose Custom. So you have three radio buttons here. You have No Watermark, which will obviously, erase everything. You can do a picture watermark. Select that radio button, and then you can click the button for Select Picture. If this ever happens where it takes too long to load, just close it out and then click the button again. It should work faster. So you can create a watermark from a picture that's saved on your computer, or you can do a Bing image search on the internet. So let's see what we got on our computer, if I have anything. No, I don't have anything saved here. All right, scratch that idea. Let's do an internet picture. Let's see. How about good old SpongeBob? Select the image, click Insert. Now you have an option here, Washout. If this is checked off, the picture will appear lighter. So let me show you. I'm going to hit my Apply button. You can see SpongeBob is very light here. If I uncheck Washout and hit Apply, you can see it comes out much more darker. And I don't know why it's cutting off in this. I think I might have a white text background on the second paragraph here. But that washout again will make it either lighter or darker depending on whether you have it checked off or not. All right, so you can put any picture in your background. And that's a good idea. We took a look at our page color background when we did pictures there, and it kind of took up the whole entire page, and if it was too small, it was tiled, meaning it was multiplied going across everywhere on the page. If you only want one single picture in the very center of your document, maybe doing the picture as a watermark instead might be better for you. So that is an option. So that's the picture option. We also have text watermark. You can choose your language. You have a text drop down here with a whole bunch of different options that you can use. If you don't want to use any of these, you don't have to. You can type in your own in the same text box. So maybe I wanted my name shown here. Type in whatever text you want. You can choose your font. Let's do Cambria. You can choose your size. Let's go big, go home. And you can also choose your color. Again, this is kind of like the washout. You can choose to do semi-transparent. You can even choose your layout, whether you want it diagonal or horizontal. Not sure if this will fit. Yeah, there we go. Semi-transparent, unchecked, will appear much darker. All right, so you have a lot of different options for your watermarks. Text, picture, you can change the colors of your text. You can use any of the pre-configured options for watermark that Word has as well. All right.
Our next video will be activity 7.4 on page 169.